starting off with chaos. Ah, look. This is what the spread is looking like for the birthday function. Listen, it'll be all together soon. Okay, Drew's in the building. Period. Hello, it's us. We're here. I got some stuff that I'm going to unbox with you guys. This is some stuff from Fire and Desire Hookah. Yeah, I'm about to get my life together. Period. Like, I'm like, let me get my life together. Everyone was giving me a box today. I'm like, I got a box from the liquor store. Devin's getting a box that I got from Dollar Tree. So we definitely bought a lot of stuff today. Okay, so I got this humongous package from Fire and Desire Hookah, right on time for my birthday party. I'm so excited. Y'all know I work with Fire and Desire, and she actually just came out with one new hookah in multiple different colors. So that is what I got today. I am so excited. I love her packaging. So this is the custom packaging right here. Fire and Desire. Period. Yes, Drew with the camera. Drew with the camera. So that, I already know this is probably my classic one. And then these look like new boxes. So these must be the new hookah. Literally. Okay, so these don't come in custom packaging, but packaging nonetheless, still cute. So I got 3 hookahs in here. And they're all in their own box, which is great. Oops. I'm over here opening stuff up early. All right, so let's get into this. Ah! I love how she does everything. So you get a little thank you note, step by step of how to set it up. This is the purple one. Oh my God. Okay, wait, I didn't think it was this big. It's like bigger in real life. Wow. All right, so this is the hose right here. And then this is the bowl. So it comes with everything all individually wrapped. You get some tips in here. And then this, what is this? Oh girl, I might need to get the scissors. Yeah. Let me get the scissors. Okay. This looks like the other parts for the hose and the tongs. Yep, so these pieces go to the hose. Oh girl, I'm about to have to figure this out. I don't know this one. And then the tongs, ooh, and it comes with a bigger tong. So when I first started ordering from her and working with her, it was just the small tongs, but I like the big ones because, you know, the coals and stuff, you don't want that too close to your hands. All right, so we're gonna have to figure this out because honestly, I don't know what goes to what. So let me put that to the side. And then here is the hookah. Oh my goodness, this is just so much bigger than it looks on Instagram. I thought this was small. Wow. Look how cute this is. Hello. Dang, so you just put the water here. Oh my God, okay. Y'all, this is new to me, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. But I got the purple one, and then I got the pink one. Okay, here we go, and then this is the pink one. I just wanna see what these colors are looking like. Bowl, hose, stuff, tips, complimentary tips. We love to see it. Oh yeah, yep. See, she told me, she's like, I know you love everything purple, but that pink though, that pink is fire. I think she might have been right. Oh yeah, that's super cute. Look at the pink. That's really cute. Period. New hookahs. This is called the Regal hookah on Fire and Desire. So I'll have everything linked down below. Today's Tipsy Thursday, people. All my people are in the building, more people on the way. So we're gonna be making pizzas. And we're gonna be trying out these new hookahs because I don't want any surprises tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow's my birthday party. And so we're going to make sure we test everything out. Oh, and then I got the classic Barbie pink hookah that I've been eyeing for the longest. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at the pink bowl. That's so cute. Yeah, so the compact hookahs, those come with the LED light. So here's the light. And then the remote. This is the container for the coals, the hose, all that good stuff. And see, these are the small tongs. See, I like the big tongs. Can y'all tell? Where's the other tongs at? Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Hopefully, if I can find them somewhere. What is it then? Okay, they are. See? See what I'm saying? I like the big tongs better because these are good for getting the shisha out, but these are good for the coals so that you don't feel that heat coming up on you. All right, so yeah, that's my little unboxing. I'm very excited about all of these new hookahs. Oh my goodness, I have to see this out of the package though. Oh, that Barbie pink, please. Y'all have to tap into these compact hookahs, man. They're the way to go. Oh, this is so cute. All right, yeah, so you'll see more in a little bit once we, you know, eat and start getting lit. I'll get some more footage, but I am excited. Use my discount code XTENSIONS at checkout. Get 10% off. Fire and Desire hookah. I love them. Now, how many hookahs do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dang, 6 hookahs in one house. How many hookahs can one person smoke? Hashtag brand ambassador life. Okay, I gotta have all the hookahs so I can show y'all what they look like so I can promote. Okay, so I have a whole section in my cabinet for hookahs now because I'm like, we got so many now. So, yep, that's it for now. We'll be back soon. Jacob.
She was scared. Now she recorded me like on some type of wildlife exhibit. Stop playing with me.
Oh my God, Jacob.
Get out of here.
Jacob. It's a Jacob. Oh my
God. Just stop playing. I'm gonna come in there and fight y'all. I'll do it.
So nice. He doesn't mind.
No. Oh.
Did you drop your shit? He looks so hungry. The rare species. He's eating pizza like it.
It's the amount of disrespect for me.
Jacob!
I think that's what it is.
Your coat is looking very gray.
Bring me the Sour Patch Kids. That's so disrespectful.
Wild animals don't eat Sour Patches.
Listen, I'm gonna punch a hole through this damn screen. Give me some Sour Patch Kids.
I can't fucking breathe. So, it's the next day. We're getting ready for the party. So we're cleaning up, straightening up. I just cleared off my counter. I'm about to wipe the counter down and then we're gonna put this table cover on the counter. Kind of giving like almost my housewarming vibes a little bit, but that's like the color, that rose goldy champagne-y color. That's the color of the balloons too, I think. I hope it matches well, but yeah. We're gonna put the table cover up here, get this all nice and set up and cleaned up. We're gonna clean all this up. I do have a vacuum. Yep, I'm gonna be vacuuming and sweeping and doing the floors and everything, because y'all, the floors, you might not be able to tell from this little clip, but the floors, honey, they need help. So yeah, we're getting it together. We're getting it together. Period. It's getting together. Okay, look, it's coming together. Come with like balloons blowing in the wind. Okay. Oh, they're cute. How the hell? You know me. Shout out Serena for the balloons. All right, they're so cute. How does it match? It's a vibe. That's a vibe. A little vibey vibe. Okay, period. I'm about to make these drinks, y'all. I don't know where the camera is, but I look so crazy. She about to do my makeup. Strawberry shortcake. What are you doing? It's a video. Alright, period. Before and after. Okay, skin. Alright, skin. I'm looking a little glowy. My hair is crazy. Like, this color gotta go. Girl, my face looks flawless.
She's trying to be difficult.
Cheers.
Time to get blitzed.
Happy birthday to you.
This is what life is looking like right now.
Really?
Lashes off. Oh God. You see that dewy smooth, right? Okay, I just got a really sketchy package in the mail. Listen, we're still going with the birthday video, okay? It's the next day. You see, we're still here. Balloons are still here. I have recuperated. I am alive, but I just wanted to vlog this really quick. I just ordered some food. It's like 8 p.m. now. Last night was so fun. I just, oh my God, I had so much fun. And I'm so grateful that I was able to celebrate my birthday. But now I just got this package. I did not order anything. I was trying to figure out what is UPS sending to my door. Let me just vlog this. I don't know what it is, but I wanted to, you know, capture the moment prior to me opening it. I guess. I'm very confused, but oh my God, who sent me something? I don't know who sent me something. Let me open it. Okay, horrible angle, I know, but it's totally fine. What is this, man? I don't think this is the way. Oh my Lord. Is this from Gerard? Oh my God. All I see is BFA. Gerard, you're so sneaky, man. You did just recently ask me for my address, huh? Oh my God. Ugh. Whoever wrapped this up, all right, you won. You freaking won. The tape is all stuck to the frame. Holy moly. All right, I understand, because the box was a little beat up, so I'm glad they did put all this bubble wrap in here. Oh my God, Gerard. Hold on. Look, oh, these are Devin's. Oh, this is Devin's, and then this one's mine. Oh, I cannot. These are so nice. Oh, oh! Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Now I see why our shirts were snatched up before we left. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you, Gerard. These are so nice. Where am I gonna hang this? Where are we gonna hang these?